Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Ride With Me. We're going to ride. It's a one-day ride actually. So a lot of interceptors are coming and GTs are coming. So it's going to be a fun ride for sure guys. So watch the video till the end. Time is right now 4 o'clock sharp. I cannot start my buddy here. Everybody is sleeping. So guys, hope you can hear my voice clearly. So everyone are ready. So there are totally 9 interceptors and 2 GTs. Finally, our captain is here with the Retro Riders Chennai Motorcycle Club. So the ride is started guys. Since it's dark, you're not able to see anything, but 11 bikes going in a line is like very awesome. Guys, we have crossed about 50 kilometers from our meeting point. Actually, the weather is not cold and all. Previously in our earlier trips and all, when we used to ride at this early morning, it will be very cold. Now it's kind of humid temperature. I should tell you this, guys. I thought actually the ride is going to be very slow because there are a lot of bikes coming up, but then everyone are maintaining a very good pace. I don't see much lag between the front and the tail, guys. That's a good sign actually. Everybody are on equal pace. So we'll be having our breakfast at Thiruvannamalai. People kind of get excited when they see so many bikes with proper riding jackets and stuff, That's actually, I've also been in that place, so I can understand the feel. See this side, all the bikes have been blocked by this bus and lorry. Oh, so smooth the bike is. Always it divides into 2 sets. One set goes in the front and the remaining group of people, we get locked in between lorries and buses and stuff, like half of the group manages to escape the gap and a few gets locked back down. We've covered about 90 kilometers from my house and 70 kilometers from our starting point. Starts with Bhuvan and then goes Mr. Yogi, the new Sunset Strip. So yeah, and then there's a Ravishing Red, and then there's Jay Kishan with the GT. Then we have Mahesh, and then this is the Soul Rider, that is Karthik. After Karthik we have Gautam. And then we have Balaji with the Ravishing Red, and here is our last 2. Okay, 110 kilometers. So guys, we are diverting from the National Highway 45, which is towards Trichy. We're going towards the Thiruvannamalai city. As I told you, right? Yeah, see all the bikes turned. We're taking a break here, I guess. Okay. So yeah, so we have come here for a break. We'll just have some quick tea, restrooms if anybody, and then we'll shoot from here. Wow, look how beautiful the road is. Straight stretch. So actually guys, we reached this place faster than we thought we could. It was a nice ride, highway ride. So this is going to be single lanes from here to our destination. So the full road is going to be single lane. So we'll not be able to cruise more than 80 or 90, I guess. I cannot miss this site. Jinji is just Jinji or Senji in Tamil. It's just 20 kilometers from here. Actually, our first plan was to reach Jinji and get back. But then since the climate is very very hot and we'll not be able to climb up the fort, we'll get very dehydrated, right? Because they said the temperature is expected to be around 41-42 degrees. So in that heat it will be very difficult for us to climb the fort and then now again come back and ride back home. So we shifted our plan to Sathanur Dam, because they opened the dam only 3 days before after lockdown, it seems. So we thought, okay, why not just go and have a quick jump in the water and cool ourselves. Look at these buses, guys. They are fighting between each other and not letting us go. Guys, oh, there's a vehicle on the opposite side as well. See? Let me just take a flyby. I want to take a flyby badly. Go front and come back like this, no? Gives us a feel that we are riding. Just simply cruising through 80s and 90s. Here and there we should just do some revvings to keep us alive, or else sleep off. And here's the Soul Rider. We've reached the Senji Fort, I guess. Look at these dry mountains. This is the identification that we have reached Senji. 2 or 3 forts are there, I guess, in Senji. Actually, guys, as I told you, I've done only a lot of group rides. My Ladakh or my Valparai or my Dhanushkodi, all the rides that you have seen or I've done also, most of them were only group rides. I really want to do some solo rides, guys. Okay, it started to get hot. I can feel the heat inside my jacket, my helmet, everywhere. See, these are the forts that I was telling you about. There's one there, here, another here. So all these are forts of Senji. So another 40 kilometers left to Tiruvannamalai, our breakfast place. Oh shit. What, are they checking something? Oh, the election commission is checking all the cars. Okay. Oh. They're asking us something. So the police has asked us to leave. They just was inquiring about where we were going and where we were from. We are just another 20 kilometers from Tiruvannamalai, guys. Actually cruising at a speed of 100 right now, not always. This road actually 100 and all seems quite a task. The two with so many riders by the side, it's actually risky, you know. So should not take a chance. These patchy roads only actually becomes a little bit irritating when we ride. That too with our machines, no, they are not great performers at off-roads. I wouldn't say they are bad performers either, but this vehicle is not meant for off-roading, so the bad patchy roads, it's going to be a little bit difficult for us. At least Interceptor can manage a bit, but GT650 riders, I'm sorry for you guys. So yeah, we have finally reached the temple city Tiruvannamalai. You guys able to see the board? Temple city Tiruvannamalai welcomes you. Okay guys, so we finished our breakfast and we are starting from here. Only after we start the bike I'm getting some air. So another half an hour maximum we'll be reaching. Time is 9:20. So by 10 we'll be reaching the spot there. Look at this road guys. Wow. Looks so beautiful, no? Trees from both the sides forming an arch and welcoming us. See these cute monkeys. Oh, there are some here. Kind of feeling sleepy after breakfast, and we are not able to maintain good speeds also, so that adds up to it more. And I'm feeling sleepy, yawning and all. We took a small stop here guys. Some of them kept their jackets and bags over here because it's only, the destination is only 5 kilometers from here. Time is right now 10:15. So probably I think we'll get into the water by 10:30, 10:45, no, 11 o'clock I think, yeah. So 11 o'clock if we get inside water, maybe 1 hour, I think we can chill there. Guys can chill for a longer time, but I need to start back earlier I believe, because I have some personal work at home. I have to be at home in the evening, so I'll be leaving a bit early. I won't be returning back with the group. See guys, the whole road is covered with our bikes. Looks very beautiful, no? Just cruising through in 40 and 50s. Wow, enjoying the Sunday. What more do we need on a weekend guys? The parallel twin 650. That's a beautiful off-road I think. I'll close the visor. Oh wow. Beautiful, beautiful. I think we've reached the dam. Yeah, that's the dam. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a beautiful place to park our bikes, guys. Amazing, amazing.